Man, I've been waiting well over a month for these, probably a couple months at this point. The packaging is superb. Wow. Oh my. Nice concave to the wheel. Definitely has some depth to it. Very wide, as you can see. That is gonna be real nice, especially in the back. You can also see their logo is right there in the middle of the wheel. Beautiful black diamond. Nice forged wheel. This is the proper wheel. This isn't the cheap stuff. Make sure you guys check them out right now. Instagram, YouTube, all that. They're on all the platforms. We got the tires up at the tire shop right now. We're gonna get those wrapped around the wheels, and then we're gonna install those onto the car. So, man, stay tuned, man. It's a real lit one. So we are at the tire shop. Got the 4 wheels right there. You'll see we got the stock 19-inch wheels. See how different it's gonna look. A stock wheel, 19 inches, 255/35, 19. These are my favorite tires I've ever had on any car. So these are basically going to be my track tires, my high performance if I want to get it going tires. These are going to be more stylish. So as you can see, the 20-inch wheels are fitted onto the M4. They look absolutely amazing. So huge shout out once again to BD Wheels. We got Satin Black 20-inch, 20 by 10, 20 by 11 in the rear. Cool thing about these wheels is they're featured in the RAPSTAR music video by Polo G. So exact same wheels that were on that red M4 CS. I think it's a nice little touch just to add to the car, give it a little bit more character. Tint and maybe a carbon fiber front lip is now pressing for me. Now that I see the wheels on the car, I feel like those are the 2 things that are missing. So I'm sure you guys are gonna probably see the same thing as well, but aside from that, this thing looks sick. So as you can see, this is actually a kind of familiar kind of spoke. This is an 8-spoke style, kind of like a competition style wheel. You know, you kind of see a similar spoke style on the E46 M3 competition and my brother's E92 M3 competition as well, just simple 8-spoke. But what I like about this is they implemented a little bit more of the design features to give it a little bit more of a depth to it along the edge. The wheel itself actually is concave, so it goes inward just to give that car a little bit more of a aggressive, meaty stance. And then on top of that, the tires that we went with are 285/35/20s. Really wide tire, really wide wheel. Good thing about this, I have had 0 issues with traction. This car now puts down all the power finally. So as you guys can see, this car is really coming together, man. Super excited for what's to come in the future. As you can tell, the car is not nearly finished. So I want to give a huge shout out to Alpine Motorsports, AWE Tuning for setting up this car with the exhaust, and also BD Wheels for getting those proper 20-inch wheels on the car. Also everybody else who's laid their hands on this car, who's helped out with the car, people at the tire shop, etc. With that being said, let me know if there's anything else that you would do to this car, any modifications. Would you remove any modifications? Just let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.